Okay, everyone. Today we are doing a revisit of the Esso / Circle K gas station on Muirlock Drive and Haley Walker in Newmarket. And that has the Ryko radius I visited earlier this year. I'm surprised it still hasn't been replaced with a Mark 7 Choice Wash XT yet. I have a feeling it will in the future or some sort. So we are going to be getting the premium wash as always. I'm waiting for him to get a code. And we actually got in a coupon for the premium wash. 4 washes for $39.99. You can see here, and we're going to be using one of them. Anyways, I'm going to pause it for now. Okay, so this code will be simple because it's $38.99. So basically a really long digit code. Now like for 5, I think that is a 6-digit code. Originally it's 5. Someone's going to head into the wash. Might as well get going too. It's really interesting. Looks like the signage actually works because it didn't work the last time we were here earlier. And even the light sign works too, so looks like they fixed the signage. Anyways, pause it for now until I get to the code mission. Okay, I'm going into the pay station. You can see. There we go. Alrighty, as this guy's getting his wash started, I gotta wait for this thing to say, please wait to enter your code. But last time I came here, we paid at this pay station here. I was in my other car. Today I'm in my own car, which is extremely dirty, so we will see if our Ryko radius can actually clean this Toyota Corolla. So yeah. So it looks like he's starting out with a pre-soak. And the code symbol is $38.99. Hopefully this thing will be still in great shape. Like I said, I'm surprised they haven't replaced it yet with a choice wash. Caution, lenses are very hot. You can see here. It's interesting. This is what the gas station looks like. And the store too. Well, it's taking a while to let me enter the code. It should be done soon. Anyways, I think I need to pause it until it's good. Alrighty, here we go. You can see your wash options. The budget for $11.99, the standard for $13.99, and the premium for $15.99, which is a little bit pricey for an Esso. But let's enter the code.
Please enter your code by touching the corresponding buttons. Thank you. When the wash is ready, please pull forward into the wash.
And the receipt actually works. I wanted to test it out and turns out it was. And you can see the premium wash is $15.99. But we got it inside for a discounted price. So yeah, it's nice that the receipt actually works. Get off my glove. There we go. And I hear the dryer's kicking in. So I guess we got in the the standard wash, which is the second top wash. But just only includes the undercarriage. Not the tri-foam. So the doors should be opening any second. Going to put this thing in drive. And here we go. Here we go into the wash, as always. Oh, that was just I guess that was just a thrust pro hitting the ceiling or something like that. I'm surprised it didn't even come down on the way. I know I can just pull up there by the light and quickly see how well a Ryko radius can clean a dirty car. Alrighty, let's see how I've washed it. Alrighty, so the side dryers didn't do well here. Clean for tires, which is good, for tires were extremely dirty. On the back, didn't get a fat. Dryers did well, except on the back window. Didn't do well here as well. On the passenger side, did a decent job. Once again, clean for tires. Didn't get in that well. If you can see that was just like leftover mud in the wheel wells and stuff like that. I guess I couldn't clean that off. Clean for tires here. Not bad around here. Dryers kind of didn't do well. I guess it didn't drop down, that's the only problem. And it didn't clean up that. So yeah, overall a really nice wash still. So they basically fixed the signage and the receipt. I tested it out to see if the receipt printer will work, and turns out it did. But they only need to fix the dryers because the last time I came here, the dryers dropped down all the way, and then when I came here today, it didn't do that. It just hanged above the hood and stuff like that. Maybe my car is too small for the thrust pros. Maybe I need to do a revisit again in the awful car where it did that. Maybe that's a problem they had or something like that. But other than that, the dryers didn't drop down the way. That's a nice wash, definitely have recommended. So yeah, once this car gets really more dirtier again, just like tonight, I'll be going to more Circle K washes too. So yeah, that's one of them. Maybe next Circle K wash I would do is the one on Eagle Street. The one on Eagle Street and Yon. With another Ryko radius. See if that one does well as this one. And I can compare these two together. Anyways, that's the Ryko radius at the Esso/Circle K gas station on Newmarket Drive in Ryko in Newmarket. Anyways, that's gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video. And that will be it.